In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Monarch Money, a budgeting app that has gained attention as one of the best in its class for 2025. Let's dive into what makes Monarch Money stand out and whether it might be the right fit for your financial planning needs. First, let's talk about Monarch Money's highly customizable budgeting system. This app provides a flexible framework for users to create personalized financial plans. What this means is that you can track your spending across various categories that you set up based on your personal financial goals. Whether you're trying to save for a vacation, cut down on dining out, or simply keep a better track of your groceries, Monarch Money allows you to design a budget that caters precisely to your lifestyle and objectives. Another noteworthy feature is the comprehensive financial overview that Monarch Money offers. This isn't just about seeing where your money goes, it's about setting and achieving meaningful financial milestones. Users can set custom savings goals, track their net worth, and even generate insightful reports to analyze spending trends over time. This level of detail is invaluable for anyone who takes personal finance seriously and wants to have an in-depth understanding of their financial health. Now, onto the user-friendly interface. One of the things users appreciate about Monarch Money is its accessibility. Financial jargon can be daunting, but thanks to a design that is intuitive and easy to navigate, Monarch Money appeals not only to financial wizards, but also to those who might just be starting out on their financial journey. It's an app that speaks to you in a way that's easier to understand and act upon. The app does operate on a subscription model, which includes various pricing options. For exact details, you would want to check out their official website, but it's worth noting here that you pay for a set of premium features that are designed to expand and enrich your budgeting and financial planning experience. Let's compare Monarch Money to some of its well-known competitors. Take for instance YNAB, or You Need a Budget, which is known for its manual approach to budgeting. In contrast, Monarch provides more automation and customization, so if you like having a hands-on approach with an added layer of ease and customization, Monarch might win you over. When pitted against Rocket Money, you'll find that Rocket Money is lauded for its beginner-friendly features like automatic subscription tracking. Monarch Money, however, provides a more comprehensive suite of tools. This makes it ideal for those wanting to dive deeper into creating detailed financial dashboards and reports. So, is Monarch Money the best budgeting app for you? If you prioritize detailed insights and a robust level of control over your finances, Monarch Money could be your go-to app. However, if an automated approach or a tool that does most of the work for you sounds appealing, you might look into alternatives like Rocket Money. Remember, the best budgeting app is one that fits your lifestyle and meets your financial needs, so consider exploring different options to find what aligns best with your preferences.